5:50 p.m. 13th of August, Dalhousie. I'm standing at Subhash Chowk. Thermo's fine, clutch wire fixed, and let me show you the view first, people. I'm a little tired, so I'm gonna try and do whatever best I can. And this is the man who was inspired a lot in India and conferred with the Bharat Ratna, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, 23rd January 97 to 23rd January 1998. Oh, so his birth anniversary and his death anniversary is on the same day. Wow, I didn't know that. And this is the valley of Dalhousie. See the greenery around here. The air is pure. The trees obviously release a lot of oxygen जो हमारे शहरों में नहीं मिलते हैं. Get inspired, plant a tree. Stay away from drugs. Teach computers to people as much as you can. Your maid, your driver, your domestic help. And don't forget the culture of India, because that is what we are made of. मैं अपने हिंदी वाले भाइयों के लिए भी और बहनों के लिए भी कुछ बोल दूं. और आज रक्षाबंधन का दिन भी है. ये जो clouds आप देख रहे हैं, these I see them as clouds of hope. I see the sun shining through, and this is the very reason for which I am riding all through the country, to let everyone know that it's very important to plant trees. Stay away from plastic. Plastic से दूर रहें. जहाँ तक हो सकता है natural life जिएं. और make sure the kids watch the right kind of television channels. When I talk to people along the way through this journey, a lot of issues with kids these days that they tell me are that kids are becoming aggressive and lesser respectful these days. I'm not surprised with the kind of television content sometimes that kids are exposed to, which is more adult than anything else. So make sure your kids watch the right kind of channels. Make sure your kids are sensitive. बच्चों को पर्यावरण के बारे में बताना बहुत 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 ज़रूरी है. और जितना हम आज अपने पर्यावरण अपने देश के लिए करेंगे, उतना ही ये धरती हमारे को कल रिस्पेक्ट करेगी. तो आप जहाँ पर भी हैं, चाहे आप अमेरिका में हैं, कनाडा में हैं, न्यूजीलैंड में हैं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हैं, अफ्रीका में हैं, कहीं पे भी आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, wherever you are in the world, और अगर आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ सोचने में और करने में बहुत कम फ़र्क होता है. उठिए, पता कीजिए कौन सा पेड़, कौन सा पौधा लगा सकते हैं आप अपने घर में, अपने इलाके में जो रहे, और वो पेड़ फिर बड़ा होके इस पूरी दुनिया में ऑक्सीजन बांटेगा. मेरे साथ अभी हैं ट्रैफिक पुलिस के सज्जन. सर, आपका शुभ नाम?
मेरा नाम प्रकाश चंद्र.
प्रकाश चंद्र. प्रकाश चंद्र जी हैज़ I took requested for his permission to park धन्नो in front of the statue here, which he, मेरी बाइक का नाम है धन्नो और मैं पूरे देश में घूम रहा हूँ. तो ये मेरे को एक पहले भी कहाँ एक ये पोस्टर मिला है यहाँ डलहौजी में. It says walking is the fashion in hills, not driving. And guess what? This message is from Shakti Ladies Club. I wish they had their number. I would call them and go meet someone. But maybe next time. And thank you, ladies, for inspiring India, for helping a more environment-friendly life in the hills. I wish people in cities do the same. क्योंकि शहरों में तो चलना आजकल इतना दुश्वार हुआ है कि पोल्यूशन के चलते या डिस्टेंसेस के चलते या जैसे भी है. तो दिस इज़ Puneet Sachdeva right in front of the Subhash Chandra Bose statue in Dalhousie at 5:53 p.m. on the 13th of August. As promised, I'm going to reach Jammu. Most likely I'm going to stay in Dalhousie or 7 kilometers before Dalhousie because the hotels are cheaper there. And tomorrow I'm going to be in Jammu, where there is a press conference scheduled at 4 p.m. It's been a wonderful ride so far. The kids have been excited while I drive, and I wave to them. I stopped at quite a few places. I spoke to quite a few people. and the response for this drive has been very, very enthusiastic so far. As scheduled, I will leave Jammu tomorrow, or maybe latest 15th, and then drive through Punjab via Haryana on to Chandigarh by 16th night, and hopefully be in shape and funds to hold a press conference there. And 1 second, I need to clean the lens of the camera, people. And phase 2 of this ride is already doing the rounds in my head. There are quite a few people who have expressed interest to participate in phase 2, and I hope these people come forward. I hope that we are able to find some funding. I hope we are able to take some concrete steps on this Riding for Efficient India and its whole concept. So thank you for watching, and this is bye from me, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Dhanno for right now. Thank you.